How to fix TikTok something went wrong. So if you want to fix TikTok something went wrong, then what you need to do is first simply tap and hold on to that TikTok application and go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with permissions and make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions like camera, microphone, notifications, photos and videos, and you can also go with contact, location, music and audio, nearby devices, and you just need to simply go and allow all of the permissions. Once you allow the permissions, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now remove that, and you need to check if you have any updates or not. So you just need to simply go with search under your Play Store or your App Store and search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, now if you have any updates under your TikTok, just simply go and update. Once you've updated, then your problem might be fixed. Simply restart your device and that's it. That's how you can fix something went wrong on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.